Resist the clips.
I am Daniel. This is my proven technique. How to make the most candy this Halloween. And this is how I kill the candy game.
This is Kevin, our unassuming Harvard graduate.
I'm Kevin.
Step 1. Fill black bag with as many costumes as you can carry. Make sure they're all easily put on and taken off, for this will cause problems later. You don't want to be caught in the cold with your bits hanging out. But anyway, step 2. Dress as a pirate, robber, gravedigger, or something else that would justify carrying a large black bag. In my case, I chose Robin, from Batman and Robin. Not sure why, because Robin doesn't carry black bags. Step 3. Set out to a wealthy neighborhood that looks like they're in the holiday Halloween spirit. Look for decorations, trick-or-treat signs, or even kids already at houses getting your candy. This step can be done with friends or by yourself. But with friends will be more fun. Step 4. Hide black bag in bush, behind tree, or some other good hiding spot and head to the door. Step 5. Do your best acting as that character and reap the rewards. After you have succeeded in that costume, find a good spot away from the house and dress in the next costume. Repeat this as many times until the candy runs out or you're found out. Then, repeat the steps. Happy cheating!